Hello, in this video I would like to briefly talk about the Dirt Detect feature and the Carpet Boost on the Roomba 705. iRobot has been using a visually weighted approach to detecting dirt since the J series. Unfortunately, due to this feature, iRobot has apparently reduced the maximum manually adjustable suction power, so the robot can use even higher suction power when Dirt Detect is running. For my tests, I always use the maximum settable suction power. Unfortunately, Dirt Detect only triggered very rarely in my tests, only during the first pass of a cleaning run and then again at the very end during the 12th pass. I'll show the examples now. You have to pay attention to the sound. Whether consistently using this higher suction level would have made a significant difference in this hard floor test is debatable, but I do wonder why this level isn't also available in the Carpet Boost mode. There, the robot remains at the manually set suction level. Here's another example. The maximum adjustable suction level was used again. As we've heard, there was no increase in suction power on the carpet. The carpet would provide enough rolling resistance for the main brushes to trigger the Carpet Boost. By the way, the fact that iRobot doesn't use an ultrasonic sensor on this device and only relies on measuring the power consumption of the main brushes for the Carpet Boost is truly shameful given the price. Depending on the Carpet Boost takes too long to activate. Older models also have this problem, but a 10 Max, for example, which uses an ultrasonic sensor, has absolutely no problems triggering a precise Carpet Boost. The following examples include sound. Please pay attention to the sound. As for why the 705 doesn't use the undoubtedly available highest suction level in the carpet boost, or why you can't simply adjust it manually, I can only imagine possible thermal issues or persistently excessive battery consumption. This whole thing, however, also puts the advertised powerlifting suction claims, an interesting term by the way, in a somewhat more questionable situation. Unfortunately, iRobot has also become a bit more creative with its suction power comparisons since the release of the J9 series, but more on that in another video. Thanks for watching.